How to make a soy milk mordant. Today I'm going to show you how to make a soy milk mordant or binder for natural dyeing. Soy milk helps bind colour to fabrics, resulting in richer colours and better colour fastness, but it is not technically a mordant as no chemical reaction occurs. Today I'm going to try and show you how to make homemade soy milk with the help of this person. She's very helpful. I've been soaking some soy beans overnight in water in a ratio 4 to 1. So 4 times the amount of water to soybeans. This is going to make loads of soy milk, I think. What do you think, Bill?
Wow.
Ooh. First of all, we're going to rinse the soya beans. Now the next step is to blend the soybeans. I'm going to use my Nutri bullet, which isn't very big, so it'll take me quite a long time to do all of this, but basically I use 1 cup soybeans to 3 or 4 cups of water. You want to put it in?
Yes.
And then put it in here. Whoa! And again. 2. And again. So I think I'll only fit 3 cups in there. Wow. Okay, awesome. I'm going to get my bucket, and I've got a big piece of kind of linen here to strain the soya bean liquid. Right, you ready?
There's one top.
Oh no.
I'll get it down here.
I'll do this bit then, shall I, Bill?
I'll get it out. I'll get it out so quickly. Yes, get it out so quickly. I wanted to do this bit.
Oh, sorry. Do you want to do it? We'll do it again, and then you can do it the next one.
Yes.
Okay. Put 1 cup of soybeans in here then.
Okay.
One. 2. 3. Ooh, this looks very creamy. Go on then, pour it in. Gently, gently.
Ow, that was a lot.
That was a lot, wasn't it? Okay, the next step is to squeeze out the pulp.
Oh, it's like a willy.
Who's got a willy like that?
Papa. That's a funny ball. Funny willy.
Oh, all the milk's coming out.
My turn.
Go on then.
I smell disgusting.
Does smell funny, doesn't it?
My turn.
And then we're going to keep squeezing. Right, I'm going to finish doing all the soybeans, and then we'll do one big squeeze again. And then after you've squeezed it all out properly, you can re-blend the pulp with more water and do more squeezing. So I think we're going to be here for a little while doing this, aren't we? Let's get all our soybeans ground up.
Ah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, magic. So fun, isn't it? Don't touch it. Well, you can touch it in a minute. Just wait, let me do all the beans first. You gonna help me again?
Yep. I like it.
Very slowly. Wow. Excellent job. Okay. Now, we need to squeeze all of this out. Ooh. Maybe this cloth is a little bit too big, actually. But, oh no! I dropped it all in. We're going to have to get another bucket now.
It's okay.
It is okay. We can fix it. Don't touch it. Hang on, don't touch it, Billy! Well, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it into this pan.
Can I do it too?
Yeah, you can.
Squeezy wheelie!
Please, can you get me the silver bowl from the side?
Which silver bowl?
The big bowl next to the towel there. Ooh.
There we go. And then there's still water in it.
And then we're going to, excuse me, we're going to get this out of here. And we're going to blend it all up again and do the same thing. Try not to make too much mess. Ugh.
Oh no! It's like a poo! It looks like a poo. Can I touch it?
Yeah?
Disgusting!
Okay, stop. We're going to blend it all up again. Right, come and wash your hands. So we're blending up the pulp again to get one more round of milk out of it.
Whoa, that's so gross.
Okay, hold the fabric steady for me, Bill. Don't let it move. Yeah, exactly like that. That is exactly what I meant. Don't let go. Don't let go. So you're doing an excellent, excellent job. Very, very good. Oops. Okay, we don't want to make the same mistake as last time, do we? When we dropped it all in. That was a silly mistake. Let's squeeze this out. Oh, hang on, go and wash your hands first, please, because you've got pulp all over your hands. Oh, too late now. Never mind.
That's so easy one. No, I want to do it by myself. It's an easy one.
Okay. Right. And again.
I will look at this little thing.
Hang on. Right, I need you to stop it. I need you to do the same job that you did for me a minute ago. And you hold it really, really tight.
You hold it.
Okay, I'll
I will pull it and you hold it.
Okay. Do you think you're going to pour it nice and slowly?
Yes.
Yeah?
Hold it very
Okay,
quick.
very slowly you pour it in the middle, very gently. That's it. Slowly, slowly.
Quick, slow.
Quickly, slowly. Okay.
I like the lots.
Thank you. We've got soy beans everywhere.
Yes.
All over the floor.
Yes.
It's not a tidy job. Especially if you're like me and Billy.
Let me do the...
Okay, go on and squeeze it.
No, you don't squeeze.
Okay.
Hard for me now.
Okay. You do the easy bit, yeah? And I'll do the hard bit. Is that how it goes?
Yes.
Okay. I got you. I got you.
Mommy, wash my hands.
Okay.
I'm about to put a fan.
So we're repeating the process of blending the pulp with water. You could probably do that a couple more times, but I'm just going to do it twice because we're making quite a lot of mess right now.
I want to do a lot of mess. That's not for you.
Right. Lovely, delicious looking soya milk.
Okay.
like with most things like natural dyeing, it's better if you soak your fabric first for a few hours, or maybe 24 hours if possible, so that either the dye uptake or the soya milk is more evenly absorbed through the fabric. So that's what I'm going to do now, is just soak these for a few hours before I make my soy milk. And I'll use these pieces of fabric to do samples of natural dye, try out new colours, maybe make something with them at some point. Maybe a quilt, maybe kids' clothes, I don't know yet. Some linen, and actually this is really nice linen, and some cotton as well. And they're all the old vintage French bed sheets that I use. I don't want to use too much water in this bath, so I'm going to squidge them out. In my opinion, homemade soy milk is much better than store-bought because you can avoid any additives and control the consistency, making very concentrated milk if desired, for various techniques such as painting with natural dyes. Plus, it's super easy and fun to do with a little one. Okay, so once I've got all my fabric immersed in the soya milk and I've given it all a good squeeze and a stir, I'll probably leave it for a good few hours, sometimes overnight, but it's good to keep moving it around so that the soy milk doesn't settle in the creases. And then, once this has been left for a few hours, I'll take it to my washing machine, put it on a spin setting and let it dry, hang it up to dry, and then I'll repeat the process again, maybe 2 or 3 times depending on how much soy milk I've got left. And then I'll leave the fabric to cure for 2 or 3 weeks or a couple of months, depending on when I'm ready to use it. It's good to note that it's important to scour your fabric before mordanting. Depending on your desired outcome, you could either wash your cellulose fibre on a hot wash with some eco washing soap, or bring to the boil in a large pan with a good glug of soap. You will need to treat the protein fibres more gently than this though. Thanks for watching this video, and as usual, please subscribe and follow, and I'll try to answer any questions below, and keep letting me know what you'd like to see in the future.